This 5-minute solution will show you how to change Facebook account on Monopoly Go app. First of all, launch your Monopoly Go app. Tap on this menu icon. Tap on settings. Tap on connect account. And here you will get your Facebook option. So tap on disconnect. Tap on disconnect. Once you disconnected your current Facebook account from here, now long press on Monopoly Go app and tap on app info, and here scroll down and tap on storage. Tap on clear data. Tap on delete. Once you deleted all data, relaunch the Monopoly Go app. Again tap on the menu icon. Again tap on settings. Again tap on connect account. And here you will get connect option. So tap on it and now connect your another Facebook account. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.